2006 Chrysler 300, 4-door sedan all-wheel drive. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, 8-sill, AWD navigation system, HomeLink system, power adjustable pedals, power passenger seat, power sunroof, power door locks, power windows, power mirrors, traction control system, tachometer, cruise control, air conditioning, leather upholstery, fog lamps, vehicle stability assist, tire pressure monitor, EBD electronic brake assist, EBA emergency brake assist, child safety locks, memory seating, anti-theft security system, dual airbags, multi-function steering wheel, airbag deactivation, passenger seat height adjust, rain sensing wipers, power steering, compass, clock, rear bench seat, split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests, bucket seats, trip computer, auto headlight delay,